Hello everyone. This is second problem of 3-hinge arch. So first, what is the problem? A 3-hinge segmental symmetrical arch has a span of 30 meter and a central rise of 5 meter. It supports a concentrated load of 150 kN at a section 7.5 meter from left support. Find the reaction at the supports and maximum positive and maximum negative bending moment. Also draw the bending moment diagram. Okay. So from the problem statement we can draw a line diagram of 3-inch arch. Okay. So I draw a 3 meter span and 5 meter rise. I'll subject it to a 150 kilonewton load from left end, that is left end, this one, okay, at a distance of 7.5 meter. So what is our procedure to find out the support reactions? By taking moment about left end, that is A. Okay, so we will take the moment about point A and considered right side. Okay, so minus VB into 30 plus 150 into 7.5, you will get VB. Okay, for this one I followed the sign convention: upward positive, downward negative. Okay, now next condition is summation Fy is equals to 0. So Va plus Vb minus 150. Okay, from this equation you will get the value of Va. Okay, so similarly we can take the moment about point C, that is central point. So just take the moment about point C and considering left portion of it. Okay, so Va, that is Va into 15 minus 150 into 7.5 plus HA into 5 plus HA, this is plus HA into vertical distance is 5. Okay, from this one you will get HA, or that is horizontal reaction at point A. Okay, then summation Fx is equals to 0. So HA minus HB is equals to 0. From this equation you will get the reaction at point B, that is 112.5 kilonewton. Okay, which is acting rightward and this is acting leftward. Okay, now next is now ordinate at point D. Okay, so we have to find out the maximum moment at, suppose at section D. So I have to find out the ordinate at D point, that is YD. So I have the equations YD 4h upon L square into x into L minus x. So put the value of h and x, you will get the value of YD. Our h is 5 meter, L is 30. Okay, so you will get 3.75 meter. So this one is 3.75 meter. Okay, 3.75 meter. Okay, similarly suppose I want to find out the vertical ordinate at any point at any section. So I have the equations y is equals to 4h upon L square into x into L minus x. Okay, put all the values. Okay, if you solve this one and put the value of x as unknown. Okay, so you will get this one 0.67x minus 0.02 x square. Okay, now what is our aim? To find out the maximum positive and maximum negative moment. Okay, so first we will find out the maximum positive bending moment. So this will occur at a section in portion AC at a distance of x from A. Okay, this is my portion AC. Okay, so maximum bending moment will occur in this portion. Why? Because 150 kilonewton load is acting in portion AC. Okay, at a distance of x from point A. Suppose I take a section at a distance of x from point A. So somewhere here. So just take the moment about that point. 112. This one is, suppose I want to take the bending moment at this point. So 112 multiplied by x, then HA into y, HA into I, and my y is this one, 0.67 x minus 0.02 x square. If you put all this value, you will get this one. Okay, if you multiplied this value with this bracket, you will get this one, 2.25 x square plus 13.13 x. Okay, suppose I take the derivative of mx, so this equation become like this, and you will get the value of x. Okay, then put the value of x in above equation, you will get the maximum bending moment. Okay, so maximum bending moment is 470.65 kilonewton meter, that is positive. Similarly, find out the maximum negative moment. Okay, so this moment will occur at a section in BC at a distance x from B. Okay, so this is our portion BC. So maximum negative moment will occur in this section. Okay, so just take the section somewhere in this portion BC at a distance of x, and vertical ordinate is y. Okay, so 13.37.5 into x minus hy into y. Then if you solve this one, just put the value of y, 0.67 x minus 0.02 x square. Okay, if you multiplied this value with this bracket, you will get this one. Take the derivative of mx with respect to x, you will get this one. If you solve this one, you will get the value of x, 8.4. If you put this value in above equation, you will get the maximum negative moment, that is 160 kilonewton meter negative. Okay, and what is our last term? Also draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so simply just draw a arch. Okay, three hinge point. Okay, and just draw a straight line from this hinge to this hinge and extend up to this point. This point is point load point. Okay, just extend this point at that point and join this one. Okay, and just join this 2 point. Okay, you will get this ordinate, that is 470.65. This is our positive bending moment, and this one is our negative bending moment. Okay, so this is the bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Okay, so thank you.